An Appleton woman who faced big changes in her life recently found herself at a low point. This is Anna Whewell. She reached out to Josif Wittnik for help with a Monday morning makeover. So Josif gathered his team at the Salon Professional Academy, and they are about to start the transformation. Good morning.
Hi, it's Josif, and I am actually here with my makeover, Anna, who is from Appleton, and we're going to talk to her in a minute. I'm also here with Kathy Jo, who many of you may know. She's an excellent makeup artist, and I want her to tell you a little bit about what she's going to do to Anna, and then I'll come back and introduce you to Anna.
Okay, first of all, what I'm going to do today is really focus on skincare. Fall is a tough time on our skin, so I really want to educate her on what she needs to do to prepare her skin for the colder climate that's ahead. So we'll go through that a little bit more in the second segment. But then as far as her makeup, I really want to glam her up. She has beautiful skin already. She has great features. So she's just going to look gorgeous with some highlights and some lowlights and some beautiful warm colors on her eyes that are going to match the outfit she's going to be wearing today after the makeover. So it's going to be pretty dramatic.
We're going dramatic. So what I've done so far to Anna is we've started the color process, and I'm just warming her up a little bit with the fall tones, some caramels and some browns, and it's going to make her hair actually a lot thicker. I want to share with you all in the next segment a product that is a huge benefit, as Kathy Jo's talking about the changing of the seasons. You know, our hair goes through a change when the furnaces kick in and the humidity goes away and things become a little dry. So I want to share with you a brand new amazing product that I've been a part of. And then now I want to introduce you to Anna. Anna?
Hi. Hi, how's everybody?
So how do you feel about what's going on?
I'm excited, nervous, but I'm ready. I trust you.
Yep. We met, and that was the first thing we talked about. Trust.
Yes.
Right? And we talked about what we're going to do with your hair, and you were very cool and open to it.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Your life's changing just a little bit.
Yes.
So this is all for the better.
Definitely.
Okay. So when we come back, we'll have some more info for you, so don't go away. Ciao.
We are midway through a Monday morning makeover. This is Anna Whewell of Appleton before she met stylist Josif Wittnik. And he has a plan for her. Right now, she's in the makeup chair with Kathy Jo Keeley as the transformation is coming to light. Good morning, everyone.
Hi, everyone. We are in the middle of the makeover, and I just want to share with you that I've already started the cut. And you know what? Let's face it. For someone who doesn't do a lot with their hair, the last thing I'm going to do is a lot of layering because that's just going to decrease weight. So to make her hair a little thicker and fuller, I did a layered bob on her, which is kind of a hot cut right now. Really briefly, I'm going to use a product called Sheer Glass Coat from Hot Like Me. This is not something that you can just purchase outright, but what I want to do is this has the highest dosage of vitamin C in any product out there right now that you would style and blow dry your hair with. And the botanicals will come together and create a lot of volume without her having to do a lot of work. And Kathy Jo has been working on her skincare.
Yeah, not only am I a makeup artist, I'm also a skincare specialist. I'm an esthetician. So I wanted to talk to her about skincare because in fall, our skin goes through a big transition. The weather starts to change. Actually, our diet starts to change a little bit. Our activities change. And so what we want to do is really start preparing our skin for the winter. Because once it gets to be winter, it's too cold, and if our skin isn't healthy and well taken care of, it's going to have a hard time dealing with the elements. So some things that I recommend for her is one, hydration. So not only drinking plenty of water, but also hydrating the skin. And hyaluronic acid is a big ingredient right now that everybody is promoting. But this is hyaluronic acid boosting serum. This is going to put hydration in her skin and help her skin hold on to that hydration. Then another thing that we want to do is we really want to protect our skin, our barrier that helps protect the skin, and do that with a little bit heavier moisturizer. So go from your lighter moisturizer you're using right now in the summer, or we're using in the summer, to a little bit heavier, like a shea butter based. And that's just going to give an extra layer of protection on the skin. And then
You're so smart.
Thank you. And don't forget your sunscreen. Sunscreen is really important in the wintertime. Not only is it going to protect you from the UV light that's still there, it's also going to give you a third layer. So think about with clothes, you're adding on extra layers during the cold weather. You want to do the same thing for your skin. So the SPF is just going to give you that extra protection underneath your makeup. All right.
Wow.
And I love this one because it's tinted, so this can actually replace your foundation. It's got a little bit of a tint in it, so she doesn't have much to cover up on her skin, so this might even work for her foundation.
Anna, what did you think about all that?
Sounds great. I need to start trying it.
Right? I mean, I learned something.
Yeah, me too. Definitely.
Anna, now you're from Appleton,
Yes.
and originally
Virginia.
Virginia. Okay, and can we ask what brought you to Appleton?
Oh, just a change. Come up here. My sister lives here.
Oh,
you know.
So you like your sister?
Yes.
I love that.
Mm-hmm.
All right, well, how you feeling so far?
Overwhelmed and excited and happy and all of the above.
Good.
Yeah.
A lot different than when we first met?
Oh, yeah.
Good. Good. And stay tuned for the after, where you see Miss Anna go glam right before your eyes. Ciao.
She's already looking brighter. Love it. If you would like a makeover, go to our website to learn how. Her hair was lifeless, her skin dull, her spirits were down, but all that is about to change. This was Anna Whewell of Appleton before her Monday morning makeover. The team at the Salon Professional Academy in Appleton is ready for the big reveal. Take it away, guys.
Hello, everyone. Well, here we are, and this has been an amazing makeover. I'm here with Anna, and Anna's not seen herself yet. Yep, we're doing that to her. We have a mirror in front of her right now, and on the count of 3, you are going to see a true reaction from someone who came to me and my wife, really wanted a makeover, and now we're really going to get the background of your change. You ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. On 3, 2, 1.
Oh, my gosh. Wow. Wow, that looks wonderful. Good Lord, I thought he looked like me. Oh, my gosh. Thank
What do you think?
It's
Isn't
different.
it pretty?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Yeah.
It's so full and wow. Thank you.
You're welcome. You're very, very welcome. That was really fun.
Wow, that's great.
And I can feel your heart beating through your body.
Yeah, I'm just shaking all over. Wow,
Kathy
this is
Jo,
very
what do you
nice.
have to say?
Oh my gosh, it was so much fun. I knew when I saw her before picture that it was going to be gorgeous because she just had all the right features. I knew exactly what I was going to do with makeup and making it glamorous, hydrating her skin underneath there, just really put a glow in her skin as well.
And you know, haircuts are really becoming the trend now, a definite shape. And this is an example of many of you that come up to me and say, I need a makeover because my hair's so fine, it's so limp, it really does nothing. Well, you know you have to get a cut. So I want to turn Anna around for you so you can see the back. And this is Anna's hair. I mean, it's all her. And all I did was blow it with a round brush. And if she allows it to just air dry, it's going to look just as good. So, yeah?
Yeah, it looks great. Thank you.
And I have a surprise for you.
What?
Because I'm one that gifts.
Okay.
So to help you maintain this, because I know that you're struggling a little bit with money, so to help you maintain this, I'm going to give you right here 1 year of haircuts here.
Oh, wow, that's fantastic. My gosh. Wow, how lucky. Thank you. Whew.
And I also know, I want those of you to know that the month of October, Salon Professional Academy in Appleton is doing a food drive. Help us out. We have 3 beneficiaries that are going to be receiving this food. So you can call here, you can just drop food off. And I want to also say, I know that you're kind of going through some, I want Trim Hunger is giving you a $100 gift card to go buy yourself some groceries and fill up your cupboards.
Oh, thank you very much. Wow, this is overwhelming. Whew.
Well,
This is too much.
I know you're out of words, but could you just say real quickly, anybody else out there, what would you like to share with them and how you feel about your new look?
This is a great thing to have done, if you can get it done for yourself, to make yourself feel so much better. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Thank you, Kathy Jo.
You're welcome.
Great job. Thank you,
My pleasure.
Anna.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
And thank you to all watching, and continue to send me emails. And Have a great rest of the month. Peace.
Fantastic. Thanks, Joe and Kathy. Looking great, Anna.